Guys, so I bought two things at Target today. Well, I bought more than two, but these are the two things I bought by Physicians Formula. These are my first products by them. They are a cruelty-free company, which is great, and they do have vegan options. So I've heard really good things about this foundation from Instagram and YouTube, and I'm excited to try it. I don't know if it's going to match my skin color. It might be too light, but we'll see what happens. And a spotlight primer, it's illuminating. It is good for age defying actives, so that's good. That's always good to have that. So let's open this sucker up. So first I'm going to apply the Illuminizer primer. Put it on here first and see. It does look a little luminizing. Wow, looks really luminizing on there. Okay, so let me apply on my face. Well, it definitely looks illuminizing. I can see it on my hands. What happens? What do you guys think? A little too light? This kind of reminds me of the applicator to the Tarte. Okay, let me... I always like to see too, like how foundation settles in. Like, will it settle in my lines? Or that's why I liked it cosmetics so much, because I noticed that it doesn't really settle in my lines that bad. I think the color's a little light for me though, for sure. It's definitely illuminizing though. Definitely need a little color here. I might have put, I got a little, maybe one shade too light for me. Or it's just like I said, like the illuminizer. Looks pretty good. It looks illuminizing. Like I said, I want to see how it settles into my skin too. It looks a little drying already to me. I do have a lot of lines. Inherited that beautiful thing. But I guess the color does match pretty well. Doesn't look too light on me or anything, I don't think. I don't even know what color I got. What did I get? I don't know. It says LN4. Doesn't tell me the color. It is a little drying, because I already see it is kind of drying. And try to do a zoom in. So it covered pretty good with my blemishes, not bad. Doesn't look cakey. And then, so as you can see, it is kind of drying into my lines a little bit. I mean, I do have lines. It's not the foundation's fault. I do realize that. But that's why, like for me, I have to find stuff that isn't going to settle my lines. It's very hydrating because I am very dry too, which doesn't help the lines. So, but other than that, it does look, I would say it does look a little luminizing too, so with the primer. So they do go good together, I think. Yeah. I have to see over time like how it settles into my lines and stuff, and then I can really give it a good review. So I will post again. Hey guys, so I'm just typing on my phone now. It's been about 5 hours. It's getting pretty late now. I just wanted to give my final thought on the Physicians Formula. I personally, I'm very sensitive to smells. I can't like wear perfume and stuff like that because I get a headache. So the Formula Physicians foundation, the Healthy Foundation, it has a scent to it, which is strong for me. So it gave me an instant headache, and I actually still have a headache. And my skin feels a little itchy. I have sensitive skin, so this foundation might work for some people. It just didn't work for me. I wanted it to work, but it just didn't. So I'm probably not going to be wearing that one again. I have very dry skin too, and I do say that it settled in my creases pretty good, and I keep saying I'm sorry. I woke up really early this morning. But, just do it again. So, let's see. So, my foundation right now and still is going to continue to be the IT foundations. I like pretty much all the CC cream ones, the Illuminating one, the bronzer one, and, you know, Your Skin But Better, or whatever it's called, the CC cream. That has like a scent to it, but for some reason it doesn't bother me. You can tell I'm like sucked up and stuff just from the scent of that. Unless I'm allergic to something in the foundation, I don't know. But, so, I'm probably going to not wear that again, and I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on it. I am using my phone now, and the lighting's bad, and I've been rubbing my face, and my son's been rubbing my face, so it's been a while, and so, yeah, it's just not for me. So I hope this review helps anyone out there, and that's it. Good night.